Get to know the materials for these earrings. Water drop glass beads in gold. Green leaf glass beads. Stainless steel earrings hook. Clamp and stopper. .18 mm clear nylon string. Measure around 15 centimeters to 20 centimeters before cutting the string. You can make it shorter, but might cause some inconvenience later. Now pick up one stopper and slide into one of the ends. Bring both ends together before taking the clamp and slide it in both ends. This is the second small size for this clamp. There's a bigger size available. Pinch the clamp ends together to seal it. Hold both the string ends together and take one green glass bead and slide it in. In the next step, split the ends for a water drop bead. Take the water drop bead and slide each end on the opposite holes on the bead. Bring the two ends together again and let it slide up to the leaf and the clamp. If you have a short string, it might be a little hard. Let's tie the ends together securely so our beads won't fall off. Cut the extra string. Press the clamp once more to really secure the earring. Let's repeat the steps for the other side of the earring. Now both sides are done. Let's pair them with the earrings hook.
To the place where dreams collide, hands and heart in rhythm side by side. Every tiny beat tells its own tale. Thread the magic, let your spirit sail, stringing joy with colors oh so bright, crafting wonders from the morning light. Every pattern is a dance so true. Bellbeat Studio, we see it through.